Hello, I'm Janelle Dunn, the CEO of True Health. Each year at True Health, we take the opportunity to recognize individuals internally and externally who help us ensure our mission and vision become a reality. We call these individuals our true champions. Together, we ensure high-quality healthcare is accessible and affordable for all.
I'm Dina Montella, Chief Nursing Officer, and I'm delighted to present the Clinical Champion Award to Karen Santana. Karen goes above and beyond for her patients and staff and excels at making everyone around her feel at ease. She is dependable and a joy to work with, making sure the job gets done while keeping the team laughing. Her colleagues describe her as kind, caring, and exceptionally supportive.
I am Karen Santana, and I started at True Health as a clinical manager 3 years ago in April of 2022. I am grateful for our Sanford team who has been hand in hand with me since the beginning. I am also blessed to have a great boss, Mr. Joe Silver, who has been a mentor in my leadership role. Receiving the Clinical Champion Award makes me realize that no matter how little you may think your impact is on those around you, it's always worth the effort. I would love to continue growing in my career and continue to be part of the development in healthcare delivery. Thank you.
I'm Narez Medhani, Chief Operations Officer, and it's an honor to present the True Champion Award in the administrative category to Ramon Rivera. Ramon was selected for this recognition for his dedication, attention to detail, and leadership traits. Ramon is professional, humble, hardworking, and always enthusiastic. He has shown that he is willing to move mountains to find yes for patients and employees. Congratulations, Ramon, and thank you for all that you do.
My name is Ramon Rivera, Center Manager for the Hofner location. I have been with True Health for almost 4 years since I started in June 2021. I would like to thank the executive team, directors, my colleagues, but most importantly, the Hofner staff. I'm honored and blessed to be the True Champion in the administrative category. This award motivates me to continue working with passion, dedication, and commitment for our community. I look forward to doing my part to help us achieve True Health's mission to provide high-quality, comprehensive health care at a reasonable cost to everyone. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Corinna Seniors, True Health's Chief Medical Officer, and I am pleased to present the Provider Champion Award to Dana Tate Solomon for her consistency and passion in serving our patients during her significant tenure at True Health. Her colleagues describe her as dedicated, humble, approachable, and patient. She has been a reliable part of True Health for many years and has spent that time avidly caring for the community that we serve.
My name is Dana Tate Solomon. I have been a physician assistant for 30 years and have been with True Health since August 2001. I would like to thank my husband Paul and my daughters Tatiana and Natalia for sharing me with True Health, often disproportionately. My daughters see what I do and they see my passion. I would like to thank my Hofner family, currently Shanika Hudson, my right-hand medical assistant, the Hofner clinical manager, Marcy Carmona, and our center manager, Ramon Rivera, and my collaborating physician, Dr. Vamulapalli, Dr. V. I would like to thank the executive team. Dana's name is well known, buckets always overflowing, but honestly giving 100% plus to my patients. The True Champion Award means recognition. I do not profess to save the world. I try to do my best behind my closed exam room doors. I feel as though I represent True Health admirably, and I have been for the past 23 plus years. I opened the first 2 satellites, Alafaya in November 2001 and Hofner in December 2001. I envision continued growth and continued exposure of our organization. I'm deeply humbled by receipt of my True Champion Award. Thank you.
I'm Sabrina Masari, Chief Pharmacy Officer, and I am honored to present the Board Champion Award alongside Juliana Kozar, our Chief Financial Officer.
This year's recipient is Debbie Lanzen, who has been an integral part of True Health's success for 10 years, currently serving our board secretary. She is a Director of Case Management for HCA Florida Oviedo Medical Center and proactively ensures patients have a medical home upon discharge.
Debbie has dedicated over 4 decades to healthcare with remarkable contributions, including leadership awards and advocacy efforts. Most recently, she played a key role in supporting our Be Healthy 5K and Kids Run, True Health's signature fundraising event. Debbie was able to secure increased donations for the event and even volunteered on race day to ensure success.
I am Debbie Linzen, and I am the Director of Case Management at HCA Oviedo Medical Center. I joined True Health's Board of Directors in February of 2014. I would like to acknowledge my deepest gratitude to True Health, my family, and my work colleagues. My family has always had an unwavering belief in me and have supported me throughout my 43-year career. My colleagues have always challenged me personally and professionally and been supportive of my community involvement. Thank you to Janelle and the executive team for honoring me and recognizing my contributions to True Health. I am truly honored and privileged to receive this award as the 2024 True Health Board Champion. Your recognition means the world to me, and I believe in the work that we do at True Health. We are constantly looking at innovative ways to continue to help the community. I believe we make a difference every day in the lives of patients and families. When I think about my future at True Health, I'm excited for the things to come and continue to move True Health's mission forward in the ever-changing healthcare environment. Thank you again for this amazing honor. It is truly appreciated.
Our community champion is Congressman Maxwell Frost, who has elevated True Health's voice and consistently works to advance the well-being of our community. Congressman Frost envisions a future of collective progress. He emphasizes incremental change, introduces transformative legislation, secures funding for community health centers, and helps constituents navigate government processes. He believes in leading with love to build a future where no one is left behind. He has amplified True Health's voice in Washington, D.C., fighting for increased funding, 340B protections, and workforce needs.
Hey everybody, this is Congressman Maxwell Alejandro Frost, and I just want to thank True Health for this prestigious award. I'm incredibly honored to be given this, and it's just an honor to be in this fight. I ran for Congress, and part of the reason was because I believe in a world where healthcare is not a privilege or a commodity for the few, but a human right for all. That in the richest country on the face of the earth, every person deserves to be healthy. And we live in a country that doesn't really have a healthcare system. We have a sickness care system, which drives people away from preventative health care. They find themselves in the hospital waiting rooms where they go into crushing medical debt that can be a catastrophe for people's lives all around this country. We also know that we lose tens of thousands of people every single year due to not having the money to be able to afford health care. It's devastating for this country and its organizations like True Health that help expand and make health care equitable and accessible to all people. This is part of the reason I introduced the EpiPen Act, which would cap the cost of EpiPens, because life-saving medication shouldn't break the bank. And in fact, we should work to make sure that it's free at the point of service for everyone, which is part of the reason I'm also a proponent of Medicare for All single-payer system to ensure that everybody has health care as a human right. And True Health is not just advocating for this, y'all are doing it every single day here in the community here in Central Florida. So here's to a world where everyone can be healthy and where we can look every American in the eye and say you deserve to be healthy by virtue of being alive and nothing else. Nothing to do with your bank account, nothing to do with where you live, nothing to do with where you work or if you're working, and everything to do with being human. God bless you all, and thank you so much.
That concludes our True Champion presentations. Thank you all for your dedication, passion, and commitment to fulfilling True Health's mission and vision. You thoroughly embody what it means to be a true champion.